Thinking about bringing your foreign spouse to the United States? The CR1 and IR1 visas are your path to making it happen. Stick around as I break down the entire process step by step so you'll know exactly what to expect. Part 1. Petition filing with USCIS. The journey begins with filing Form I-130, the petition for alien relative. This step establishes the relationship between you and your spouse. Along with the form, you'll submit evidence like your marriage certificate, photos together, financial affidavit, and anything else that proves your relationship is real. Once submitted, USCIS reviews your case, which can take several months. If approved, the petition moves on to the National Visa Center, also known as NVC. Part 2. National Visa Center, the NVC stage. Next, the NVC takes over. You'll pay the required fees and complete the DS-260 Immigrant Visa Application online through the Consular Electronic Application Center, known as CEAC. Then upload supporting documents, including your spouse's birth certificate, police clearance certificates, and your financial documents for the affidavit of support, known as Form I-864. The NVC reviews everything for completeness. Once it's approved, your case will be sent to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in your spouse's country for further processing. Part 3. Preparing for the embassy interview. This is the make or break moment. Your spouse will be scheduled for an interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Ahead of time, ensure they complete a medical examination at a designated clinic. On interview day, your spouse should bring all required documents, including originals of the ones submitted to the NVC, a valid passport, and proof of your ongoing relationship, like recent chat logs or photos. Part 4. The embassy interview. During the interview, a consular officer will ask questions about your marriage, how you met, and your plans once in the U.S. The officer's job is to confirm that the relationship is genuine and that all paperwork checks out. If successful, your spouse will be given instructions to pick up their visa, typically within a few weeks. Part 5. Arrival in the U.S. and green card issuance. Once the visa is issued, your spouse can travel to the U.S. Upon entry, the CR1 or IR1 visa serves as a temporary green card. If your marriage is less than 2 years old, your spouse will receive a conditional green card, valid for 2 years. That's known as the CR1. Otherwise, it will be a 10-year green card, known as the IR1. Within weeks of arrival, the physical green card will be mailed to your U.S. address. Congratulations, your spouse is now a permanent resident. And there you have it, the full process to bringing your spouse to the United States on a CR1 or IR1 visa. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more immigration guidance. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.